Hi, I'm Kurt Smith, and welcome to App Talks, a series of conversations with Salesforce customers on how using business apps from the App Exchange can help you manage all aspects of your business. Today we're going to talk about how Five9 partnered with Cloud Action to implement BMC's Remedyforce for their IT service management system. So welcome to App Talks, guys.
Thank you.
Tony, tell me a little bit about Five9.
Yeah, so Five9 is a leader in cloud contact center software, and Gartner just came out with their first ever Magic Quadrant for Cloud Contact Center, and we were a leader in that quadrant, so that was good for us. And service is one of the distinguishing factors for us, what makes us a leader in the quadrant, one of the things. And Remedyforce is one of the tools we use to help deliver that service.
And Samir, tell me a little bit about Cloud Action.
Yeah, so Cloud Action is a pretty interesting, successful story itself. It was co-founded 2 years ago. I was one of the co-founders. And we saw in the market there is not a deep Remedyforce service provider. So we took Remedyforce and a Salesforce exclusive service provider. We started with few folks and a few customers. In 2 years, we have 150 customers, and from few folks to 50 people. And we are very passionate about customer success and also passionate about our employee retention. So we have a 0% attrition in our company, which is pretty amazing in this world.
That is. So, Tony, tell me about the IT department at Five9.
Yeah, so I was brought on a year ago to build an IT department that focuses on treating our employees with the same customer service that we treat our paying customers. So our focus is on delivering services that delight our customers, being transparent, and communicating with our customers, and trying to get them the tools and the resources they need to be successful. So it's been a journey of culture change, but I think we're starting to see some of the fruits of that labor.
And what did you see the first day you walked in? What was the biggest challenge that you faced?
Yeah, so the first day I walked in, I was given the executive scorecard. And on that scorecard, there was one item that was in red, and it was an integration between our Service Cloud platform, our ITSM solution, and our Engineering Rally development platform. And there was no integration between them, and so we had 4 people that were manually updating the 3 systems to keep information current. And as you know, that's time-consuming, it's prone to errors, and the information is not necessarily timely. So it was a big problem, and I was asked to jump in and start looking for solutions for that.
And how long have you been a Salesforce customer?
So at Dreamforce 2014, Salesforce presented Five9 with a 10-year plaque. So we've been a customer for 11 years now.
Congratulations.
Yeah,
that's great. And then how did you find Cloud Action and ultimately Remedyforce?
Yeah, so I started talking with BMC and with Brandy, our rep, Dreamforce 14. I was explaining to her some of the challenges with our integration and our timeline and things that we need. And she said, hey, I think you need to talk to Cloud Action. And so she made the introduction for me with Cloud Action. And through a series of candid conversations with Samir, I started feeling really good about the company, what they could deliver. They brought on a person that I'd worked with before, and he and I were able to share some of the things we've done as well as some of the things that we're talking about doing and have a common point of reference to find out, hey, are we on the right track and will these things work? So that was a natural fit. I checked resources or references for Cloud Action as well. I did my homework. But in the end, ultimately, it came down to I trusted that Samir would deliver on what he said he would.
So Samir, the challenge is yours. How did your team attack this?
I'd like to congratulate our Five9 and our team who was behind the scene to make it happen. We have expertise, deep expertise, we have experience, but what makes a difference is a passion about that. Our team is so passionate, they're working 18 hours a day, the weekend doesn't matter. Our tagline says consider it done, means consider it done. When we shake our hand, we just do it. So that was there. Second thing, we partnering with the customer. We said, we are not a Superman. We will do some mistake, but as long as we trust each other, we will recover back. And we had some few challenges, but we could able to do it together. And the third thing, partnering with not only Tony, with his users, so that adoption and they feel good about it overall the project. So that's kind of the fundamental consulting 101 behind the scene to deliver successful results.